What's up, Discoverers? Unboxing videos, right? You've seen them, I've even done them. But today, stay tuned for the dynamic re-unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2. No green screen today, as you can see. And be sure to stick around as I'll soon show you how you can connect this microphone to your MacBook. So let's do a couple of tests and let's do the unboxing actually, outside. In the box you get 2 wireless microphones, 2 windscreens, 1 camera version connection, 1 USB-C plug, 1 lightning plug, a 3.5mm cable, 2 necklaces, and 2 back clips. Stay tuned because I'll show you various performance outdoor tests and how you can replace a big clunky microphone at home too. Since I'm testing this microphone in real-world conditions, first let's try regular mode. Right now recording in just normal mode, so there's a bit of wind, some background noise here with the fan, some boats in the back. Ideally earlier I wanted to record because there was a train in the back arriving, so I wanted that extra noise just to kind of show you with the noise cancellation and without. So let's just pause for a quick moment and try to get a sense of the noise over here. Okay, so now I'm going to put it into noise cancellation. So right now it's in green. I can see the light here at the top. Just press it once. As you're recording, it's actually going to switch from regular mode to noise cancellation mode, which is really cool because as you're recording, maybe sometimes, oh crap, I didn't think about it. You know, instead of having to redo everything all over again, maybe you just want to continue, not lose that footage that you just had. So it's a good way to just kind of switch on the fly. The only thing is I've tested it before with the construction noise. I was there. I think I posted it in my last video as well, the unboxing, the first one. And the problem I found was that my voice felt very robotic. So I'm not sure how it's going to sound. Maybe they've improved it. This is another version, so who knows? Right now, I'm just going to put the wind guard, and then let's see with that, which should really take care of the wind noise. And now the trick is just to make sure that the microphone here is exposed at the top, and there you go. So microphone's at the top, recording me, and that should take care of the wind noise. Let's go ahead and give it a second here. It's about the same wind level as we had earlier, same fans, same birds, everything. I'm gonna go ahead now and turn it off the noise cancellation. So one click, just gonna go and double check. Yeah, so we're in blue. So blue mode means just a normal, regular recording, and now it's with wind guard. So again, put the noise cancellation on, one click on the side. And then get a sense of, you know, the noise cancellation, if you want to use it, you don't want to use it. I was trying to actually doing a bit of editing inside Premiere Pro afterwards. If I heard too much noise, I would add the denoise and the de-reverb and just try to like play around with that instead of with the noise cancellation here, unless it was something just really unbearable. So that's it. The only thing with this that I found a little bit, and it was part of the reviews actually, so I'm just going to take it off like this. Gonna put this underneath. So when I was traveling, and the reason I lost it the first time, the magnet's pretty good. Like you can see I'm pulling away at the microphone over here, but I had backpack straps, and I guess at some point I just kind of moved really quickly and then it just kind of fell off. And I only noticed it much later that the microphone wasn't there anymore. And I went looking for it for about 30, 40 minutes and I couldn't find it. So Ellie said, well, you know, I'll buy that one off of you, the half microphone, because she only needs one. And I decided to get another one because I really loved the product. Very versatile. You can use it with the computer as well, with the GoPro. So I also want to do a couple of different tests. I want to do it with the bike, with the wind, and see how that goes. Now let's try biking with the microphone. And how about a range test? How far can it go? So let's go for a quick ride. So lots of wind right now. I have the wind guard. I think we're in regular mode. And lots of wind. I'm also wondering how the GoPro is handling. Lots of wind. I'm also wondering how the GoPro is handling. Well, I just lost the microphone on the GoPro, but the GoPro is still there. I'm just wondering about the footage on the GoPro. And I'm not sure if you can still see me from the recording over there, or if I completely came out of the shot. Right now, I'm almost in line with the clock tower. So I'm going to flip back around. I went pretty far. What's really cool about this microphone and package is that you can set up on the fly. At some point, I was recording with my phone and GoPro when my phone ran out of battery and completely stopped recording. We were still rolling, and with some quick thinking, I decided to change the mic connection from the phone to the GoPro and prayed it would pick up the sound from the mic. And lo and behold, it did. As soon as I connected the 3.5mm jack, it picked up the microphone right away.
Daí aqui, esses produtos aqui em cima, embalados, são as tampinhas que são colocadas em cima da lata. Exato. Que como você pode ver, aqui embaixo ela é abertinha, ela não é dobrada.
And we're back. Usually, if you double click here on the side and you have it plugged into your phone, I haven't tested the Samsung smartphones, but with my iPhone, I just double click over here and it actually starts the video if I'm open to video camera mode or anything like that. So that's really cool, really practical. I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk over here just to show you the range. Right now, the microphone and the phone were about, I guess, 5 meters. Going a little bit further, the wind, no wind over here. Don't want to get too far and then lose. Someone runs and grabs my phone. But I just want to show you how versatile this thing is and how far I can go. Oh, perfect. Now we have here the train again. So we're gonna grab it. Let me see here. Right now we're in the regular mode. And now I'm gonna switch it to noise cancellation. So right now we're in noise cancellation. He's reversing. And now we're back to regular mode. This mic is perfect for home and studio productions, travel vlogging, GoPro setups, and even podcasts on the go. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, I discovered that the Lark M2 easily connected to a MacBook. This got Ellie to change her large condenser microphone and replace it with this one. And after testing the Lark M2 with my MacBook, I can confidently tell you that it will bring your presentations and tutorials to another level. All right, everyone, we're back to the studio, continuing the hands-on and the dynamic unboxing of the Lark M2. Right now, I want to show you the difference using the microphone and not using it. So right now, obviously, no microphone, good sound quality, good noise cancellation from the MacBook or from the Zoom application. But what I'm going to do is connect this microphone with the USB-C on the side of the MacBook. So once you've got the solid blue light or green light, it means you're connected. Look at the base, look at the microphone. Solid blue means regular mode. Solid green means noise cancellation. And look at this difference. Wow. Imagine running a sales presentation with this type of audio. That's going to make a difference for your podcast, for your sales presentations. This is going to be more credibility for your customers and more impactful for your sales. Wow, this is just amazing. Seriously, I can't talk about it enough. Sound is everything. And this microphone, this does a tremendous job. And not only can you use it indoors in studio, but you can use it out there as well, like you just saw. Serge, back to you. All right, everyone. We hope this hands-on and dynamic unboxing helped in case you're considering the Lark M2 or any other wireless mic at that. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to grab one, you'll find the Amazon link in the comment section below. You'll also find a link to our website with the list of the gear that I used to create this vlog. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing or maybe vlog. Cheers! Oh wow. I like how they split it. It like breaks up evenly.